In today's video, we focus on questions Nigerians ask when trying to shop from Amazon for the first time. And some of these questions to address include: does Amazon ship to Nigeria? Is it safe to shop on Amazon? And do I need a third party to help ship to Nigeria? I will be showing some examples of orders I created to help explain better. And without further ado, let's get started. For the first question, yes, Amazon does ship to Nigeria, but if only the seller lists his or her products for sale to this region. Otherwise, no, Amazon will not ship to Nigeria. But there are two strategies to still get it to Nigeria, which I will explain in this video. Amazon is just a link between a buyer and a seller to ensure that the buyer receives their purchases and seller makes their profit. It's not much different from a marketplace. So how do you know if a product is listed for sale to your country? Now this is simple. All you need to do is check the product details. For example, on February 19th, 2020, I purchased 6 of Ultra Strength Multi Collagen pills, which was delivered on February 27th, 2020. With shipping handled by Amazon Expedited Shipping to be specific, by Aramex. They deliver at your doorstep, and if not, you'll be called for a pickup. And I also purchased another product named Minerva Gold Collagen Defense Skin Hair Nail Supplements on February 15, 2020, and was delivered the same week as the Ultra Strength Multi Collagen, with its shipping handled by Italian Postal Services, but the seller was to ship by DHL. As at February, they were listed for sale to this region, and now when you check, you will find out that they are no more listed for sale to this region. And you can tell this from the product detail page, which currently states that this item does not ship to Lokoja, Nigeria. Please check other sellers who may ship internationally. But remember that I purchased and received these two products in the month of February. If the products are not listed for sale to this region, there are two solutions I personally use, which I will discuss in the third question. Do I need a third party to help ship to Nigeria? Are you scared of shopping on Amazon because you don't know how safe it is? There is no need to worry. Amazon Marketplace is safe, secure and guaranteed. Your money is always in safe hands with Amazon. Keep in mind that if you do not receive your package, you can always apply for a refund, and if the package is damaged, you can return it to the seller and get your money back, or keep it and receive certain percentage of your money back. Try to keep all communications and transactions within Amazon Marketplace so that if any problem were to arise, they will be able to give a fair judgment, meaning only pay on Amazon. Do not let the sellers talk you into paying directly to their PayPal or other accounts, so that in the case of any problem, you can get your money back. A seller once tried talking me into paying directly to his PayPal with the benefit of me getting 5% discount. Although he is a legit seller, but I will not do that. I avoided that by telling him that I would like to pay through my Amazon account. No, you do not need a third party to help ship to Nigeria if the product is already listed for sale to Nigeria, as the shipping quote is already calculated and available on the product detail page. But if the product is not listed for sale to Nigeria, like I said, there are two ways of dealing with this. The first one involves a simple communication with the seller. You are free to chat them up anytime and is very much allowed. Tell them you want to purchase their product but it's not listed for sale to your country, that you are willing to pay the shipping cost, and they should provide all possible shipping options that can deliver to Nigeria. You could even suggest postal services to them. For example, I was interested in the product Minerva Golden Collagen, which only one was available that I purchased and received in Post Office Lokoja, but I wanted 6, so I decided to talk to him about shipping option and more of the product. I even took their number from their Amazon page and chatted him up on WhatsApp. And after some days, he replied me saying what you can see on your screen right here. With Italian Postal Services, it will cost $15 to ship 6 of these packages, and with DHL, it will cost me about £52. So before you look for a logistic company to help you buy from Amazon, why not try talking to the seller first? Remember, they are all trying to improve their sales. As for the second option, I'm not really a fan of. This simply involves you paying a logistic company with a US address to help you ship it down. Reasons why I'm not a fan of it is because you will have to pay for shipping costs to deliver to their US address before paying for shipping costs to deliver to Nigeria. And it does not end there. I don't live in Abuja or in Lagos where most of their offices are, which means I would have to pay for it to be sent down to me in Lokoja, Kogi State. They claim to be cheap but are not really that cheap. If I were to use this option, I don't think I will be paying only $15 for all 6 of those items. So the best option is for me to communicate with the seller to see if he can provide means to send it down to me. That will be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, as I'll be posting more videos soon to help improve your shopping experience.